Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Best of Haiti Real Estate. We are Best of Haiti Real Estate and I am Matthew Lewis. What we have here today is a 29 centimeters of prime, ready to build land in Vivy Mitchel. If you already know about Vivy Mitchel, you know about Vivy Mitchel. If you don't, let me tell you a little bit about Vivy Mitchel. Vivy Mitchel is a prime, enclosed, private community. It's a beautiful community with paved road and high security. Motorcycles cannot come inside of Vivy Mitchel. Everybody have to check in at the gate. And security is tight inside of this community. And if you don't know, now you know. Land in Vivy Mitchel do not come in bunch. It's hard to find land in Vivy Mitchel. And when you finally find a piece of land like we just did here for you, it will go fast. So guys, introducing to you today by Best of Haiti Real Estate at bestofhaitirealestate.com. It's a 29 centimeters of prime, ready to build land inside of Vivy Mitchel. This is a gated community with the who's who in Haiti. That means you have your bank executives, you have your high rank government officials, you have your business moguls, you have the pretty much your elite, your Haitian elite. This is where they lay their heads at night. So 20 centimeters of prime land for sale. So you see in this video, this land is enclosed all four ways. It's already enclosed with high walls. And as you can see right now, it's semi-flat. And the owner already told me they have somebody coming in to clear all this trees and everything else. So by the time you purchase this land, or by the time you come see it, it might be completely flat. This is 29 centimeters of ready to build land, four-way enclosure. It's enclosed four ways. So just come in with your materials, your building materials, and start building. The original plan for this land was an apartment complex. And the owner decided that he will not pursue the project any longer and he wants to sell it. Contact us today, guys. Let us show you this prime piece of land, 29 centimeters to be exact. We are the exclusive representative of this property. So that means you have to go through us to get through the owner and purchase this property. 29 centimeters worth of land inside of Vivy Mitchel. We are the only real estate agency that do not charge a fee to come show you a property. The majority, well, all the agencies or even the coochie, what you call the coochies on the street, will charge you $50 to show you each property. We do not charge a dime to show the property. However, you do have to sign a contract that says we represent you, and there's a fee that you have to pay when the purchase, only when the purchase is made. The office will discuss that with you when you call. On the bottom of this video, you will find our phone number, international and domestic phone numbers. That means we have Haitian phone numbers, and we have a phone number that starts with 404 that you can call wherever you are. Canada, France, UK, England, wherever you are, Germany, Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic, wherever you are, you can contact us. These from our international phone numbers. One of our representative will answer the phone right away or call you within 24 hours. Come see this land, guys. You will be pleased with what you see. Again, this is inside of Vivy Mitchel, prime land, ready to build. 29 centimeters worth of land. It's large and it's long. Again, the original plan for this property was to build an apartment complex. So guess what? You can build your house, or you can build an apartment complex. You can even build a business here, right? Let's say, how about a grocery store for this community? They do not have one. A huge community, large community with affluent people, Haitians and people from all over the world, and they do not have a grocery store. So this is your opportunity for a business venture, or just build your property here. What we have discussed with the property owner, we asked him, would you be willing to cut the land in half or 3 pieces? Would you be able to sell it in half or 3 pieces? And he still said he's thinking about it. So when we have the answer, we will update on the description, or you can even call us and we'll let you know if that's doable. Again, this is Matthew Lewis from Best of Haiti Real Estate. On the description, you will find our contact information. Contact us today for us to come show you this land, this piece of land, 29 centimeters worth of land in Vivy Mitchel. Ciao.